Now we're going to check out cabin 6040. This is a Deluxe Oceanview with veranda. And if you notice that this one appears to be occupied, that's because it is, because this is where we stayed. So you can see the kids' water there on the table, the queen bed. This is the daytime configuration. You can see that we've unpacked all our stuff in here. But wandering through, we're just going to take a look out in the balcony. The balcony here is set up with 2 chairs looking out here. Got the Disney artwork on the wall. The lounge converts to a bed. You can see that we've stored plenty of stuff under the bed as well. And the kids have already jumped all over the bed, even though we've just boarded. You can see here that we set up a little shoe holder on the back of the door just to hold all our things. And inside the cupboard, plenty of hanging space. It's safe in here. Your life vests, the ladder for the bed at night. Plenty of storage, plenty of hanging space. Here's a split bathroom again. Hello, that's me waving. Here is the same room at night. You can see that the curtains have been drawn, the beds have been converted to the nighttime configuration. You can see the decoration there on the roof, with the stars above. There's a little bit of a privacy curtain between the main queen bed and the bunk beds.